Have you ever felt like your camera just isn't keeping up with your creativity? Well, buckle up, because Sony might be about to drop a mirrorless monster that could change the game for photographers and filmmakers alike. Today we're diving into one of the most electrifying rumors in the camera world, the much anticipated Sony A7V. With leaks and speculation swirling, this camera is shaping up to be more than just an upgrade. It's looking like a full-blown revolution in the full-frame, mirrorless space. Whether you're a seasoned pro, an up-and-coming filmmaker, or just a gearhead who loves staying ahead of the curve, this video is for you. Let's start with what could be the A7V's biggest flex, a rumored 44-megapixel full-frame XMR or CMOS sensor, possibly with a partially stacked design. Translation: faster data readout speeds, meaning smoother operation, reduced rolling shutter, and a camera that keeps up when the action gets intense. Imagine capturing a Falcon mid-dive or a race car flying past, not ending up with a blurry mess. This 44MP sweet spot offers stunning detail without bogging down your workflow with massive files. It's like getting a sports car with the fuel efficiency of a hybrid performance without the penalty, but we're just getting started. The video specs are where things go from impressive to jaw-dropping. The A7V is rumored to shoot 4K at 120 FPS 120, making it a dream for cinematic slow-mo shots. And if that wasn't enough, it might also support 8,000 recording at 30 FPS. Putting it toe-to-toe with heavy hitters like the Canon R5 and Nikon Z8, if you're a YouTuber, wedding videographer, or even a travel filmmaker shooting in the wilds of northern Pakistan, this camera could be your new best friend. The clarity, the detail, the future-proofing. Just imagine editing 8K footage on a lazy Sunday and realizing your camera is more advanced than your laptop. Now let's talk autofocus, because Sony's already king in this department, and the A7V might just tighten that crown. We're hearing whispers of AI-powered real-time subject tracking, including next-gen AI autofocus for both humans and animals. That means if your kid is running around the backyard or your dog is chasing squirrels in the park, the A7V could keep them tack sharp in focus. No more out-of-focus memories or blurry vlog intros. It's like having an invisible assistant making sure every shot is just right, and for those who live for the action. Here's a nugget you'll love. The burst shooting capability could hit 20 frames per second. Whether you're using the mechanical or electronic shutter, sports, wildlife, street, wherever life moves fast, the A7V will be right there with you, capturing every split-second moment. Pair that with super fast readout and processing, and you've got yourself one of the most responsive cameras in the mirrorless market. Let's not forget about the viewfinder. A 5.76 million old EVF is reportedly coming. Let me tell you, it's like going from VHS to 4K. You'll be able to see your shots in ultra-sharp clarity, even under harsh sunlight. Whether you're composing that perfect golden hour shot or manually focusing a dramatic close-up, this viewfinder could be your creative edge. Ergonomically, the A7V might borrow the tough, travel-ready body design from the Sony A9 III. More grip, better button layout, and weather sealing to handle rain, dust, and accidental coffee spills on set. So when can we actually expect it? According to industry insiders, Sony A7V might launch as early as Q2 of 2025. A new Sony camera was recently registered in China, a move that usually signals something big is just around the corner. Could be any month now, folks. Strategically, the A7V fits right into Sony's alpha ecosystem like the missing puzzle piece. The A7R handles ultra-high resolution. The A9 is for blistering speed. The A7S is your low-light video wizard. The A7V aims to be the ultimate hybrid, offering balanced power for those who shoot both stills and video. It's like the Swiss Army knife of mirrorless cameras. Weddings? Covered? Wildlife? No problem. YouTube content? Travel vlogs? Short films? Bring it on. Of course, we're also expecting IBIS for smooth handheld shots, dual card slots for backup, security, USB-C, fast data transfer, and a battery life powered by Sony's dependable NPF-Z100 cells. Basically all the goodies that professionals count and an enthusiasts dream about. So, is the Sony A7V worth waiting for? if even half of these rumors turn out true. And absolutely, this might be the most versatile and creator-friendly camera of 2025. It's not just about having the latest. Here it's about unlocking your potential, simplifying your workflow, and elevating your storytelling. If you're as hyped as we are, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full breakdown when the A7V finally drops. And hey, while you're here, check out our deep dive on the Canon R5 versus Sony A7RV right here. Point 2 top corner. Don't miss this guide on how to future-proof your camera gear for 2025. Point 2 bottom screen. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best camera is the one that inspires you to create. See you in the next video.